Andrew with Foundation Wheels here, and today we're going to be answering a question that a ton of you have, and that is wheel offset and tire. What does it do to fitment? How does it make the truck look? How does the stance appear when you have a wider wheel or a narrower tire? And we're not just going to be talking about it. I actually have a bunch of different examples here. We're going to be installing these on the truck and showing you guys exactly what every setup looks like with 37 13.5 and 37 12.5 tires on a 0 offset and plus 19 offset Foundation 395 HD wheel. So let's get into this. So to start out with, what is offset? So on Foundation wheels, we're actually holding width constant. They're all gonna be 18/9, but offset is gonna basically tell you how far the wheel is gonna stick out from the hub mounting surface on the truck. Now, what I like to use about offset is that it also factors in wheel width. So let's say your width is changing, offset is gonna be representative of that and give you a better picture of what is going on. So for Foundation 395 HD wheels, we offer them in either 0 or plus 19 offset. Now, normally you would think 0 offset means tucked into the truck. That's actually the opposite of how it works, weirdly enough. So a factory wheel is going to be somewhere around positive 45 offset. Our wheels that are going to be a flush fitment, so kind of more flush with the fender line of the truck, that's going to be a positive 19 offset. And then if you want a wider stance, so a little bit of a poke fitment, 0 offset. And these numbers are kind of arbitrary depending on the different platforms. So since we're focused on HD trucks, Ram, Ford, and GM, those are the numbers that we chose to basically offer the best fitment on the truck in terms of being far enough out to avoid the factory suspension parts when you're steering, but not too far out that you're going to be rubbing on the body with larger tires. So it's a game of dance of what fits and what doesn't, but this also depends on how things are going to look. Now, of course, it's hard to explain that in terms of numbers, so let's actually picture this on the truck. So to start out with, I'm gonna mount a 37 12.5 on our plus 19 flush fitment wheel. This is gonna be the most conservative spec. So this is gonna be the most in line with the truck, the absolute least trimming. And this is gonna be relevant on Ford, GM, and Ram trucks, right? Minimal trimming, the more conservative you go with your specs. Keep in mind too, some tires are going to have a little bit wider sidewall profile than others. So for example, this is a Toyo RT Trail. This is gonna be a pretty true to size tire setup. Now, let's say you want to take things a little bit further. You have two options here. You can either go wider on the wheel spec, so we can go to the 0 offset spec, or you can go a little bit wider on the tires. So let's do that first. So next up, you're going to see a 37 13.5 Nitto ridge grappler mounted on this same plus 19 offset wheel. As you can see, this is going to be a little bit more proportionate to the height. This is going to be a little bit wider setup. It's going to look a little bit more aggressive, but it's still going to be pretty tucked into the body. To me, this is a really nice happy medium spec for a lot of people where you don't want to go super wide out where you're hitting the, trimming the truck a lot, you're flinging up rocks and debris on the side of the truck, but you want something that's a little bit wider and a little bit more aggressive than the plus 19 with the 12.5 tire. This is your bread and butter spec. Now let's say you want to push things a little bit further. This is where the 0 offset wheels come into play. So 0 offset is going to be our most aggressive spec, and the reason we're not going past this is anything past this on a lot of these HD trucks results in a lot of trimming, so we're going to try and avoid that. But the 0 offset spec pushes things out a little bit further, so you can actually push things a little bit further on how the aggressive stance of the truck sits. So to start out with, we're going to go 0 offset with a 37 12.5 tire. As you notice, this actually looks pretty similar to the plus 19 spec with the 37 13.5. So as you can see, you can kind of play with things a little bit to fine tune your stance depending on what you're after. To me, this is a really nice spec, but again, that 13.5 tire does look really good because it's a little bit more proportionate to the height. Now let's push things a little bit further. This is our 0 offset spec wheel. This is the poke fitment wheel mounted to a 37 13.5 Nitto ridge grappler. This is going to be a wider tire, and the ridge grapplers are also going to have a little bit more squared off profile with a bit of a larger side lug. So this is going to be the most aggressive 37 setup that we offer for these trucks and we kind of recommend. But as you can see, this makes it look a lot bigger. Now, as you can see, we're not changing the diameter of the tire, right? All of these are 37s, but if you notice, the 0 offset with a 13.5 visually looks the biggest, and that's because it's gonna be a little bit wider. So you can actually kind of play tricks on the eye, even though you're not increasing the diameter of the tire, to make them look bigger. So let's say you're someone that's wanting to mount 35s on the truck, but you don't want them to look small. The 0 offset spec might actually be the way to go because you're making those 35s look a little bit bigger than they are. If you mount a 35 with a plus 19 spec, it's gonna look a little bit smaller. But let's say all of these options look too small to you and you want to push things a little bit further. The 38 13.5 is going to require trimming on the Ford and Ram platform, and on the GM platform, it's not really possible until you step up to the 4-inch kits. But this does look really good with how large the bodies in these trucks are. There's no denying that 0 offset 37 13.5 spec looks fantastic. And that's kind of how this always goes, right? The bigger you go, the more aggressive you go, the better it's going to look. But obviously it comes down to how you want to balance the looks of the truck the drivability of the truck and how much you're willing to trim the truck. So keep in mind, the wider and more aggressive you go, you might have to trim the truck a little bit more. There are some pros and cons in both directions, but hopefully this gives you guys a better idea of what these setups actually look like on the truck. I've personally never seen a video like this done before. I've never seen anyone actually mount and install all these different setups on this truck. And so hopefully this gives you guys a really good visual. We're also gonna have an article on the website with written up pictures as well. So if you wanna compare pictures side by side to see what all these setups look like, that will be on the Foundation Wheels website. But hopefully this helps you guys pick which size tire and which offset wheel is right for your HG truck. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, sales@foundationwheels.com, and we are happy to help.